Welcome to Phenoxy AI Assistant, and this assistant is capable of answering all your queries along with handling various other tasks. Let me show you. Phenoxy,
Yes. Welcome to Phenoxy. How may I help you?
open Google.
Opening Google.
Open Portfolio.
Opening Sudha's portfolio.
What is coding?
Your Phenoxy assistant will answer your questions. Yes, coding is writing instructions for computers in programming languages.
Play motivation.
Playing your song.
How can I become a good programmer?
Code every day. Build tiny projects. Read other people's code. Ask why, not just how.
Project e-commerce.
Opening your project. Hello everyone, it is with great excitement that I welcome you to Phenoxy. Wait and see all the pictures. I can select different colors too. It's so fast and easy to handle. You can zoom in or out, whatever option you want to use, everything is given here. Now, you can buy.
Well, this was all about my project. Bye.